So we'll study today the area of similar triangles. Area of similar triangles. Okay. So now theorem. If two triangles are similar, then ratio of their areas is equal to ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. Okay, so you can see here two triangles are similar. ABC triangle similar to DEF triangle. ABC triangle similar to DEF triangle. So you can write ABC triangle similar to DEF triangle. The ratio of their areas, which area of ABC triangle by area of DEF triangle equals to ratio of the square of the corresponding sides. AB square by DE square, BC square by EF square, SC square by DF square. Okay, so you have to remember AB square by DE square, BC square by EF square, SC square by DF square. But this year the proof is not in the syllabus, so only the statement we have to remember and we will solve the questions. So look at the first question on this. First question is ABC triangle is similar to DEF triangle. Area of ABC triangle is 64 centimeter square. AB equals to 4 centimeter. D equals to 5 centimeter. Find the area of DEF. Okay, what you can see, draw the diagram. ABC triangle similar to DEF triangle. Area of ABC 64. Area is 64 centimeter square. AB is 4. This is 4 centimeter. D is 5 centimeter. So now you see corresponding side given. So formula will be area of ABC triangle by area of DEF triangle. Which side is given, that you will take. AB square by DE square. AB square by DE square. So put the values. Values means area of ABC, how much will put? 64. 64 by area of DEF triangle. AB square means 4 square by 5 square. Do cross multiplication. 64 into 25 equals to 16 into area of DEF. Then this you bring down, area of DEF triangle equals to 64 into 25 by 16. This will come down, cancel here 4. The area of DEF triangle equals to 100 centimeter square. Another pattern you can say, another pattern is ABC triangle is similar to PQR triangle. Area of ABC triangle is 125 centimeter square. Area of PQR triangle is 64 centimeter square. If BC equals to 5 centimeter, find QR. Okay, draw the triangle. Triangle means ABC similar PQR. This is 125. This is 64. BC 5. QR you have to find out. So what will be formula? Area of ABC triangle by area of PQR triangle, square of the corresponding side. Which side is given, that we will take. BC square by QR square. Now what we do? Put the values. So 125 by 5. Sorry, 125 by 64. 5 square by QR square. Look at. What you do is, what will do? Cross multiplication. 125 into QR square. This is 25 into 64. QR square 25 into 64 by 125. Okay, QR square. What is QR then? Root over of 25, 64, 125. That is 1, 5, 8, 5, 8. This is 25. 5 cancel. Therefore, QR equals to 8 by 5 centimeter. So like this, you can try one question. Suppose this is 100. This is 49. This AC is suppose 7 centimeter. Find AC means find PR. Okay, this is homework for you. Now let's start from your textbook. In the textbook, question number 1 is homework for you. 6.4 exercise 6.4 homework. Which question? Question number 1. Then you'll go to question number 8. Then we'll go to question number 9. Try these 3 questions. Remaining I am doing. Look at question number 2 now. So what is our question number 2? Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at point O. Intersect each other at the point O. Okay. If AB equals to 2CD, find the ratio of the areas of triangle AOB and COD. Okay, look, AB 2 times, AB is bigger, so trapezium is like this. इसमें E parallel है, parallel होने से this is AB, this is CD. AB parallel DC, ये दूसरा AB parallel DC. Diagonals intersect each other at O. This is our O point. Now you have to find AOB triangle. AOB triangle. This one COD triangle. COD triangle. So when you find ratio of the area, you have to prove these two triangles are similar. So how to prove similar? Look at here. This is suppose angle number 1. This is 2. This is angle number 3. This is angle number 4. Okay, 1, 2. Now look, prove. In AOB triangle and COD triangle. AOB triangle, COD triangle, AB parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. Look at here. When two lines are parallel, okay, if you cut with an intersect, this angle and this angle will be equal. This is your AB, this is your CD. So these two angles are equal. So which angle? One angle and two angles are equal. Angle 1 equals to angle 2. When these two are parallel, that means you can write here alternate angles. Alternate angles. Similarly, you can check again if two lines are parallel, caught by a transversal, ये वाला angle भी equal. So this angle means 3 angle equals to 4 angle. Angle 3 equals to angle 4. Same criteria. Corresponding angle. This is your AB. This is your DC. So 3 equals to 4. 3 equals to 4. अच्छा, vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal means DOC angle, AOB angle. Okay, now 3 corresponding angles equal होने से implies AOB triangle similar to COD triangle. What? Angle criteria. Now we proved similar होने से area of AOB by area of COD. Area of AOB, this triangle, area by this triangle, square of the corresponding side. Which one is corresponding now? We take now ABCD का relation given. We can take AB square by BC square. AB square by BC square. But AB is how much? That is 2CD whole square by DC square. Because you are given since AB equals to 2BC. The CD DC is same, not to be confused. So what did you get? Then you got, therefore area of AOB by area of COD triangle, square of the corresponding side, 2 का 4 CD square by CD square. DC CD is same, but cancelled. So that is 4 by 1 means 4:1. You are asked to find the ratio. Ratio is 4:1. Okay. Then see question number 3. 3 is important for us. Question number 3 is, in the given figure ABC DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. Look at it. In the figure ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersect BC at O, if AD intersects BC at O, so that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC equals to AO by DU. Okay. See, this is a very technical question here. Suppose ABC triangle. If I take, this is A, this is B, this is C now. On the base BC, ABC, DBC. Look, ABC, DBC are on the same base. This triangle base is this one. This triangle base is also this one. If AD intersect BC at O, AD means you have to join this, intersect O, then you have to prove ABC triangle by DBC triangle equals to AO by OD or DO. To prove area of ABC triangle by area of DBC triangle equals to AO by DO. Okay. Now what you need is we have to do the construction. Construction means you draw a perpendicular here. Suppose this is X perpendicular. Then you draw a perpendicular here. This is Y. Some question construction you have to remember. Now look at here. This triangle and this triangle. AXO triangle, DYO triangle. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Then X angle equals to Y angle because 90 degree. When two corresponding angles are equal, automatically this will be also equal to this one. In a triangle, look at here. I will show you. ABC, DEF. So this is 60. This is 60. This is suppose 70. This is 70. Can you say these two angles are equal or not? Because sum of three angles of a triangle how much? 60 plus 180, 60 plus 70, 130. So 130 means 180 minus 130, that is 50 degree. Similarly, this will be 50 degree. That means if this is not given also, if two corresponding angles are equal, then third angle will be automatically equal. So now how to start? Look at it. You have to take AOX triangle. In AOX triangle and DYO triangle. I can say angle X equals to angle Y 90 degree. You can write constructed. Because we have done construction perpendicular, I have drawn here. अच्छा construction we forward here. Construction you write here. Draw this and write first. Construction. Draw X perpendicular BC. DY also perpendicular BC. These two perpendicular I am drawn. So proof you start now. In AXO triangle, DOY triangle. You can say X angle equal to Y angle. X angle equals to Y angle 90 degree constructed. This we have constructed here. Then O angle equals to O angle means AOX DOY equal vertically opposite. Vertically opposite. So implies you can give number 1, this is 2. Angle 1 equals to angle 2. So these two triangles became similar now. So you can write when three corresponding angles are equal, two triangles are similar. AXO triangle similar to DYO triangle. So when two triangles are similar, ratio of the corresponding sides are proportional, means AX by DY, AX by DY, look at here, AX by DY, other side will be AO by DO. Equation number 1. We got one relation here. Then what you have to do? Area of ABC by, now area of ABC triangle by area of DBC triangle. ABC triangle में this is your base, this is your height. Half base into height. Half base is BC, height is AX. Again half DBC, half base, height is DY, because this is perpendicular. Half BC into DY. So what did you get? Implies area of ABC triangle by area of DBC triangle is half of cancelled, BC cancelled, that is AX by DY, equation number 2. What is AX by DY? AO by DO. So in place of this, what do you write? AO by DO. So putting the value of, or comparing 1 and 2, comparing 1 and 2, you get area of ABC triangle, area of DBC triangle, AO by DO. This is important question. So practice it very nicely. Okay. Now see the next question. If area of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. If the area of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. Congruent and similar, I'll tell you. Congruent, you understand. Suppose ABC, DF. Congruent is like this. Congruent होने से angle should be equal first. A should be equal to B. B equals to E. C equals to F. First the corresponding angle will be same. Then AB equals to DE. AB equals to DE. BC equals to EF. BC equals to EF. AC equals to DF. This is what you have to prove. So you write here, given ABC triangle similar to DF triangle. You given to prove, और to prove ये the figure similar given, similar. To prove is this. To prove A equals to angle D, B equals to E, C equals to F. Again you have to prove AB equals to DE, BC equals to EF, AC is equal to DF. This is what you have to prove. Okay, now look how you are getting. If area of two similar triangles are equal, also you can write here given area of ABC equals to area of DF, means Similarly given, area is also equal given. Okay, now look. Proof. Proof first you say area, sorry, ABC triangle similar to DEF triangle. A given. Okay, when two triangles are similar, what is one criteria? Corresponding angles are equal, means implies A angle equals to B angle, B angle equals to E angle, C angle equals to F angle. Means ये वाला पार्ट तो प्रूव हो गया ऑटोमेटिकली, बिकॉज सिमिलर गिवन, सिमिलर होने से कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आर इक्वल. ये वाला तो प्रूव हो गया. नाउ यू प्रूव दिस पार्ट. So how to prove this part? Now area you have to take. So now area of ABC, area of ABC triangle by area of DEF triangle. When similar, formula क्या है? Ratio of the corresponding side, AB square by DE square. AB square by DE square, BC square by EF square, SC square by DF square. ये तो फॉर्मूला हो गया. When two triangles are similar, ये तो फॉर्मूला. Since area of ABC equals to area of DEF, इसका मतलब ये दोनों सेम कैंसिल हो गया. So this is cancelled, that means 1. So what did you get? So you'll get implies AB square by D square equals to 1. And this ratio is equal to 1. This implies AB square equals to D square. Cross multiplication implies AB equals to D. देखो आ गया ना, AB is equal to D. Got it or not? Then what you write? Then also you write BC square is equal to BC square by EF square equals to 1, because everything ratio will be 1. Implies BC square is equal to EF square. So taking out square root, taking square root क्या होगा? BC is equal to EF. ये देखो क्यों हो गया? BC is equal to EF. Then third one is also equal to 1. AC square by DF square is equal to 1. AC square by DF square is also 1. Implies AC square is equal to DF square. Implies AC is equal to DF. Okay. So when this happened, therefore you can write ABC triangle is congruent. Congruent symbol is like this. DEF triangle. Proof. Okay. So the remaining will complete tomorrow.